Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Mazer. With me on the set today is Dr. Christopher Manfredi, pulmonary critical care physician who heads the sleep laboratory at Norwalk Hospital. We're going to ask him the Ask the Expert question. That question is, what is sleep apnea? Chris, we hear a lot about sleep apnea. What is it? How do we treat it?
Sleep apnea is a very common condition in which while people are sleeping, their airway is collapsing down, either enough to cause their breathing to stop completely, or a small decrease which causes their oxygen level to drop or their brain to wake up out of sleep. If that happens enough times per hour, more than 5 times per hour, along with symptoms, we call that sleep apnea.
And the consequences of that?
Untreated sleep apnea gives you a higher risk of high blood pressure, strokes, heart disease in some cases, weight gain, car accidents, increased cognitive decline in older people. So a lot of tentacles.
Nothing big.
Nothing, not a big deal.
A big physique. Yeah. So this is really an important medical problem that's eminently treatable. 30 seconds, how do we treat it?
Most common treatment is CPAP, which is a mask that people wear that supplements their breathing enough to keep the airway from collapsing down. There are, for mild to moderate cases, you could use an oral appliance made by an orthodontist that moves your jaw forward. There are upper airway surgeries that are done that are not super effective, 20 to 30% cure rate with those, so we don't do that a lot. There are some newer procedures that have more efficacy in people who've failed CPAP therapy.
But the CPAP is something you can take with you when you go on vacation?
Yeah, people don't. Most of the people who are chronically on CPAP, they pack. That's the first thing that they pack because they don't want to
pack your sleep app.
Yeah, because they don't want to be sleepy on their vacation.
Chris, thank you very much. We are out of time. I want to thank my guest, Dr. Christopher Manfredi, for joining me on Health Talk today. Please share your questions and comments by emailing us at healthtalk@newvancehealth.org. We'll see you next time.